Hello, welcome back to Raphael Cooking Style. Look at this, a vibrant, crunchy, yummy red cabbage salad. So we're gonna start our vinaigrette with some mustard and lime. This will be the first two ingredients. After that, we are gonna add some salt, pepper, raspberry, balsamic, olive oil, honey, and soy sauce. So now we're gonna add a little bit of, this is a pepperoni honey, which is a rest. You can also use regular only honey with no spicy at all. Of course, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon and we're gonna finish it up as well. Just the rest of it. Yeah, that's it. So after that, we are gonna add a little bit of oil. It's a count of 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. It's more or less. With the acidity, with the lime use in this case. And we are gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, of course, as well. Now you have to be careful with the salt, some pepper, the salt, because we add soya, so soya might have salt, so we just need to check it out. Yeah. Now you're gonna emulsionate it. Now, yeah, just stirring. Just remove the honey from the oh, I forgot the name. Tablespoon, sorry. And now we're gonna just taste it, acidity and salt. Now we can add a little bit of salt. This is like a half of a teaspoon, yeah, just like that. And our balsamic raspberry or raspberry balsamic. Just like that, to bring a little bit more of acidity. Yeah, and just like that, we're gonna mix it all together, emulsionate it until you can, of course, again taste it and see that it's in the point you would like to have it. Yeah, once you have it, just like that, just reserve it, and look. Just reserve it. And now I got red cabbage already cut, a grated carrot, yeah, and I also got dices of cucumber. I have some pomegranate as well. I reserve a little bit for the end, and also dice of red bell pepper. Yeah, we're gonna mix all these ingredients together and then make them back to our main bowl. I use this tray just to mix them all. So now we're gonna add a little of the pomegranate on top, the one I reserved. I just like them to have on top because they are just yummy. And I got here a julienne of red onion in cold water with ice. It will make them crunchy. I got some fresh fresh basil, and fresh mint. I chopped them all and mixed them both with the salad, yeah, with all our ingredients. And now we are just gonna top our salad to pour our dressing on it. On top of our salad, it will have everywhere. You try to make the dressing, pour it all around the salad, yeah. And we are just gonna top it with our crunchy onions, yeah. Just you of course can mix the onion if you like, but I like to have them on top. Like, not everybody likes onion, but this way they are very crunchy, very nice, and they are very light from flavor because of they were in water, in cold water. Has to be cold water, yeah. And just finish it up, yeah. So I hope you like it. Take care, everyone, and if you like the video, hit that subscribe button and leave the like behind the video. Thank you very much and have a nice journey.